I doubt it picks this up. Actually got it.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Schaumburg through Hanover Park to DuPage Airport, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and steady size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Schaumburg, Des Plaines, Fort Wayne, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Street, Park Ridge, Addison, St. Charles, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Westmont, and Maywood. People attending block-to-block parties should seek safe shelter immediately. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.